Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need 500 milliliters of whole milk, 2 large egg yolks, 50 grams of castor sugar, and 20 grams of corn flour. For an extra layer of flavor, have a dash of vanilla extract or a vanilla pod ready. Having everything measured out and at hand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple list forms the foundation of a delicious, classic custard. Now, let's prepare our custard base. Begin by gently warming the 500 milliliters of milk in a saucepan over medium heat. You want it to be hot, but not boiling, so remove it just as it starts to simmer. In a separate bowl, combine the 2 egg yolks, 50 grams of castor sugar, and 20 grams of corn flour. Whisk these together thoroughly until you have a smooth, pale yellow paste, ensuring there are absolutely no lumps for a perfect texture. It's time to combine our elements and cook the custard. Slowly pour a small amount of the warm milk into your egg mixture, whisking vigorously to temper the eggs. Then, gradually add the rest of the warm milk, continuing to whisk. Return this entire mixture to the saucepan. Cook over a low to medium heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon or whisk. The custard will thicken over about 5 to 8 minutes, reaching a lovely, creamy consistency. To finish our perfect custard, remove it from the heat as soon as it reaches your desired thickness to prevent it from overcooking. Now is the ideal moment to stir in your dash of vanilla extract or the fragrant seeds from your vanilla pod. For an incredibly smooth texture, pass the warm custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. Your delicious, homemade custard is now ready to be served warm, or you can chill it for a delightful cold dessert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.